Oop, there it is right there. Look at that.
Yeehaw!
This is Randy from Harmon Outdoors, and I have another quick video for you. I have a 2018 Chevy Silverado, and right over here where you put your sunglasses, this thing is loose, and I believe there's going to be a couple screws that are up inside it. So I'm going to open this up. I already took my sunglasses out, and to be able to fix this, I'll show you how. Right up here, there are two snaps. Let me get my glasses on. There are two snaps right up in here. Let's get that one out. That one out as well, and this ought to snap down. All right, so that comes right out perfectly. Then all the way in the back, let me get my sunglasses or my flashlight. There is a little snap right there, and let me see if I can get the one on this side. This one's a little bit harder to get to. Oh yeah, there you are. Just put your screwdriver in and just turn it a little bit, and then this pops out. All right, one screw had already fallen out. Let me see if I could feel where the other one is. See if it may have fallen on the inside. Oop, there it is right there. Look at that. That is perfect. The screw is laying right there. Come on, you little bugger. All right, there's the one screw, and right here is the other screw that had fallen out. So now to put this all back, I don't need to mess with anything just yet. So that snaps back in just like that. Right now, of course, that's loose because the screws are both out. Let me go ahead and put the screw back in. See if I can find out. Oh, there it is. It is going to be a hot one today. They said it's supposed to get up in the 90s. So, oops. Come on. Those things are a little pain. If I drop that thing one more time. Ah, there you go. All right, we got the first one in. Where did I drop the second screw? Oh, there it is. All right, second screw is in. Pop that back in place. That is nice and tight, and it is all repaired. So again, This is Randy from Harmon Outdoors. Please watch my videos. Go down, make a comment if you would like. Please subscribe. I have a lot more videos that'll be coming out very soon. But thank you all very much for watching, and I'll be back. Thank you.